Hi, so in this report, I'm going to talk about the newest feature we have added in Usermaven. It's called Trends, and this has added a lot of flexibility in terms of creating reports according to needs. For example, if you want to compare different metrics side by side, and if you want to break them down by different dimensions, for example, countries, cities, devices, or operating systems. So you can do that pretty easily here. Let's look at one of the reports so that you can understand what I'm talking about. So here we have created different trends, but now I'm looking at one of the trends that I want to measure today. It's sign up by country. And let's look at the conditions we have here. So we have given it a name, we've given the metric a name, and we have selected event. You can select from your custom events that you're passing. You can select page views here if you want, or you can also select pinned events that you have created from auto capture events. In this example, we have selected custom event, which is signed up event, and we are measuring the count of events. You can also add another metric. For example, if you want to compare the signups with another event, for example, maybe logged in people or maybe purchases or any other event that you want to track or compare side by side, then you can also add that. I'm not going to add in this example, but let's keep it simple here. And I'm going to break it down by country here. So for example, here we have a lot of options where you can break this event down by event property, which contains city, continent, country, page path, region, and lots of other options. And the session properties, they also have a lot of options here. For example, country, first page path, last page, source user ID, view teams, and all of that information is in here. So you can break it down by any dimension according to your need. And then you set up some defaults here, like I want to measure it for 30 days period, and that's how I want it to be updated again and again. And we have some options here if you want to show legend and percentage, or if you want to show uncategorized. And then we have different options here. We can select between count or time series line chart, time series bar chart, series table, or total values in bar, table, and donut here. And let's save it. I'm not going to save it, but because it's already saved, and let's open it. So here we can see the different countries and the number of signups from those countries. And now let's try to look this one in a table here. Easily switch between different types of charts. Let's sort it by highest. So here we can see, for example, we got the most number of signups from India, USA, and some of the other countries. You can also view a donut chart here. For example, like this, India, Egypt, and some other countries as shown in other charts as well. Yeah, so this is all about trends. You can add as many reports as you want. You can create different kinds of reports according to your needs. So try the feature, and if you are not able to accomplish what you want to accomplish, then let us know and we'll help you out. And we're also adding another feature in trends where we want the AI to help you create a trend. So for example, if you are, getting confused about what kind of inputs you should be setting in the trends report, then the AI is going to help you out. That is in the process, but hopefully that will be released soon as well. So stay tuned for more updates, and thank you.